Hey there everybody, Matt here from Matt's Trains and Tractors. Today we're going to be doing something real simple, but something that I think you guys are really going to enjoy and I'm looking forward to. We're going to be taking it a lot more simple today and just doing a good old product review. Like I said, today is going to be a real simple YouTube video, still one that's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a product review, and we're going to be taking a look at these MTH Railking, I guess you could call it construction equipment on a flat car. These two cars, they look great, and I found them in our model railroading closet, which is full of goodies from my brother's collection, my collection, and some good finds that we haven't seen in a few years like these. As you can see, the boxes, I just dusted them off. We're going to be taking a look at these. We're going to be unboxing them, giving them a detailed look, and just seeing how old rolling stock can still be super solid and up to date with today's standards. And then we're going to be doing a running session around the layout. So I'm looking forward to today's video. I hope you guys are too. Now let's get into it. Alrighty, so I've got the two construction equipment pieces on the flat cars in the boxes still on this table, and we're going to unbox them right now. We'll start with the car in the back. And I believe both of these are flat cars. Yeah, no, they don't have sides to them. This one, it looks like it's a gray flat car, and that one, I believe, is a brown flat car. But, yeah, let's unbox these guys. Really nice. Alrighty, so these cars, I do not think have been run in a very long time. They definitely have been run because the seal on the styrofoam was pretty loose, so I believe they have been run in the past, but not for a while. They do need a dusting. I am going to do that in a few seconds, but look at that. If you guys know me, I absolutely love die-cast metal on anything. The trucks are die-cast metal sprung trucks, and the model of this looks like some sort of asphalt or quarry machine that would be working with rocks. Has a lot of detail, and it is die-cast metal. So we're going to take a look at the two pieces momentarily, but let's do the other car now. I mean, me being someone who absolutely loves model trucks, cars, and trains, you know, just like really any other person, this is a great blend of both of those things. Let's take a look at the cars real quick. So as you can see, there is a wheel stopper here, but not here as there is on the other car. And I believe this might have just fallen off, and it's probably in our loose equipment section that we have a few boxes of things that have fallen off. But let's take a look at the trucks, because these are really nice. As you can see, we have die-cast metal sprung trucks, and you do have a manual opening and closing coupler, just like that, which is really nice. So MTH always coming through with that. I made a video about a year ago talking about MTH rolling stock. I guess it's a little coincidental that I am doing this a year later. However, I mean, you know, if something's good, you're going to showcase it. So it does have a plastic body up here, which is understandable, but it's durable plastic. Like, this could definitely support some other die-cast trucks. If you have some other trucks that you'd like to put on here, if they fit, if they're heavier, this could definitely support that weight. So this definitely gets an A+ from me. Taking a look at the other flat car, this one, as you can see, has two black wheel stops up on the flat. This is really nice as well. Something that I like about this is both cars do feature this, but all of the lettering is very legible. As you can see, it says construction, MTH, and it also tells you about your capacity, your weight limit, your load limit, and the year it was made, which is 1998, it looks like. And the other one says 1997. Actually, I'm just looking at that now. Once again, die-cast metal sprung trucks. The wheels do move, of course. We're going to be doing a running session soon. And the coupler fires just like that. Alrighty, I'd like to take a little time just to talk about this. I mean, I am such a fan of detailed and die-cast metal trucks and cars and stuff like this. So to me, this is really, really cool. I'm getting a great blend of trains and model cars or trucks here all at once. So let's take a look at this. It looks like some sort of gravel, and this actually does have an operating conveyor belt. It doesn't have a motor, but you can move it just like this, which is really, really nice. They've added a moving axle up there. You have a moving flap over here. So this looks like some sort of rock worker or something that would maybe be working in the quarry or putting down asphalt, stuff like that. Look at this articulated turning up here. Super nicely detailed. Look at all that detail up front, especially with the bolts and riveting right underneath of the windshield. There's even a seat inside of the cab. And you have rubber tires with treads. Super, super nicely done. And it looks just like the real deal, which in fact is huge, especially these dump trucks in real life. If you guys know what I'm talking about, they are absolutely massive. So a similar front end and grille to the other one, but I love dump trucks, and this one especially. I believe it does, yes, it does dump like that. We have a piston for assisted dumping, and it actually stays up. It doesn't fall right back down, which some do. And look at that. We also do have articulation here, and like this, just for better turning. So this is so nice. Free spinning wheels in case you want to take them off and play with them. These are really cool pieces. Alrighty, so now that we've taken a detailed look at both the flat cars and the vehicles on them, it's time that we should put them on the layout. I'll spin them around a few times just so you guys can get a good look of what they do look like once they're on the car. Just a nice bird's eye view. I mean, these are just so cool. I wish I had found them sooner. Look at that. So definitely, if you guys see any MTH Railking pieces, even if they don't have any model trucks or construction equipment on them, I highly recommend picking them up. These are some awesome pieces. Alrighty, let's get them on the rails and get them moving. Alrighty everybody, we've got power on the track, a nice Norfolk Southern and Quarry themed lash up, along with the caboose at the end, which I think you guys are going to like. I've also got accessory power on the track. It's time for an evening night's run with these awesome MTH Railking cars with the die-cast metal construction equipment on board. Let's get this consist moving.
This is the dispatcher. Do you copy? I read you. Over. Please start up and stand by. Over. Yes, sir. Start up and stand by. Out.
Alrighty everybody, well I hope you enjoyed today's video, especially that last clip I showed of them going around the newly added scenery. I'm going to be adding a lot more scenery within the next coming weeks, especially as I approach my Thanksgiving break. I'll have a lot of time to film videos, so definitely be on the lookout for more content. I hope you enjoyed these awesome MTH diecast metal construction equipment pieces on these awesome flat cars of the trains. So I'm Matt from Matt's Trains and Tractors. Hoping to see you guys in the next video.